Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in this week's video, can we talk brushes? Can we talk brushes? I have a bajillion of them here, and honestly, that's not even the tip of the iceberg. So that is what we're going to be talking about this week. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Let's just start off right at the beginning. We're going to dive right in. BK Beauty. I love my BK Beauty brushes. I will say, out of all my brushes, those are probably the ones that I reach for the most. They were created by Lisa J. I will post her right over here. She's the founder, and she also has a YouTube channel. She was also a former MAC trainer. I love them. So let me just start off with her original ones. I have a bajillion, and I have tons over there as well. So these are the brushes. First of all, look how beautiful and elegant. So gorgeous, right? They are 100% synthetic. What I love about these brushes is that they are so soft and they are so freaking easy to use. I also love the concept behind Lisa's company, BK Beauty. I believe it first started off with BK, like her daughters Brooklyn and Kate, but she also has a beautiful message behind it, to be kind. I think they also donate to a kindness foundation in her local town. I will of course link everybody and everything down below, but these were one of my first higher end brushes, if you will, that I picked up. These are fantastic. And of course she expanded her brand with Angie Hot and Flashy to gear to more mature eyelids, maybe hooded eyelids, textured eyelids. So they created the Angie Hot and Flashy line, which I absolutely love. And where is PS? Let me just put these down for 1 second. I also of course have her face brushes. I mean, I just love them. They are so good. So good. And again, 100% synthetic, so stinking easy. But what am I looking for? I'm looking for, yes, here it is. The little kitty paw. Let me just put these down for 1 second. I'm going to be making noise. Okay, so this is the infamous kitty paw. This is a concealer brush, but girl, you could use it anywhere over your lid. But this one mimicked her famous 101. I do have it. I just don't have it on me right now because even though everybody talks about that one and it's one of the favorites, I really love the 106 for my foundation. I like that it's more stiff. Hold on, I have to get it. Just give me 1 second. Let me just look for it. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is the infamous 101 brush. You see how it's got that angle? And it is beautiful. The surface is just so stinking big that you can just finish off your face products in an instant, which I love. I have two of these. I have actually doubles and triples of my favorites, but the 106 is my favorite to put my foundation on. See, I've used this one. This one I haven't as much, but I love the BK Beauty brushes. They are so daggone good. So next up are my Refer brushes. Love these Refer brushes. They are so beautiful. These are 100% natural. They're made in Japan. They're handmade. Look how beautiful these are. So soft. What I love about Refer is that they ask for customer feedback. So you go on their website and they say, hey, listen, well, we're thinking of a brush, blah, 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 yada, yada. We would like to give it to you at a discount price, and I'll tell you that in a second, but we would like your feedback. So they send it to you. It's called the concept store, and you go in there, let's just say the 16 for an example. It's a new brush. They're trying to ask consumers what their opinion is. So they'll send it to you at a discounted price, and you use it, and then you write what you think about it, and you give them their feedback, and they legit listen. That's why I love Refer so much. Like I said, they are 100% goat hair. So beautiful, super soft, man-made in Japan. I'm going to put these down for a minute, and because I also have, of course, their face brushes. They're so good. So beautiful. Actually, this one, which is my go-to face brush, and then this one right over here, which which was the 04, which I have a few, and then the 05 I use for my bronzer brush. They're just so, so nice. So one thing that I will say that they do shed. Even though I've washed them a million times, they do still tend to shed. So you have to be careful. And like I said, I've washed them a million times, but they do shed, but they are so soft. And you know, with natural hair brushes, they pick up quite a lot of product, and the pigmentation is like super duper powerful. So you got to be careful with natural hair brushes. But I just adore it. I adore their concept. I adore their mission to give back to their community. And I just love how they really listen to consumers. I think that's so great, and I have nothing but respect for this company. They're amazing. So my next brushes, these are the Bristles Beauty brushes. These are so nice. I don't have that many of them. What I love about these, again, these are natural bristles made in Japan. What I love is that it's a mother and daughter owned company. They are so stinking soft, and I can't remember who I saw using these. I want to say Mel. I think it was Mel. I can't remember. I was like, And of course, these were like maybe like 2 years ago that I grabbed them. I was so surprised like how soft they are. And I don't think I have any more than these, but girl, these do the trick. You've got some face brushes over here, tons of like eye brushes. These are so great. So their mission is to produce like the highest quality, like luxury brushes, but with an affordable price. These are so beautiful. And I love that the daughter and the mom, like they rhyme. Bree is the daughter and Nee is the mom. And she said, well, she's got another daughter, maybe a son, but she said, but it didn't rhyme with her name, so she picked Bree. I thought that was super cute and funny. So a little bit about their brand. So what they do is that when they make these brushes, they don't trim like the top of the brushes. When they make them, they leave them there. So it creates like a super soft brush. I wish you could feel these. They feel so good. So that is basically like their concept behind their company, which makes them like a little bit different than anybody else, but they're so soft. People don't talk about these too much, and I think you guys should. So nice. By the way, let me just preface that I also have a bagajillion other brushes. I have like, a couple of MAC brushes. I have a couple Morphe brushes, e.l.f. brushes. I have tons and tons of brushes. These are just the brushes that I keep on hand, that I realize that I use them consistently over and over again. But girl, you don't have to. Like, I know these are like a little bit more expensive than, let's just say, a drugstore brush, but you do you. Whatever you like, you do it. Okay, so these are one of my newer brushes. These are the Anissa Beauty brushes. Look how freaking pretty they are. First of all, like, how cool is this triangle? I think it's so beautiful. I watched Juicy Jazz, and I want to say maybe like Allie Glines. I can't remember, but definitely Juicy Jazz. She talks about these brushes all the time, so I grabbed a few. So look at this kind of like crescent shape, which is perfect for like contouring or bronzing. So nice. This is their foundation brush. How cool is that? I love that because it's got like this triangular shape that fits like in some crevices that you would not necessarily get with like a regular shaped brush. I also pick up, this is I think their highlighter brush, but girl, I use it for blush. So soft. And let me see, and their concealer brush I have been loving. It is just so perfect, just like the just like the claw from BK Beauty. It's just a little bit different. Like, this one's a little bit softer and this one is a little bit more stiff. So it all depends. Like, if you want to like smooth out your concealer, this is perfect. I mean, first of all, they're perfect. They can do whatever you want. You do you. But this one I feel is more soft to like spread, where the Anissa Beauty, I think it's better to like plate for placement and for padding. So really love. These are so freaking beautiful. I actually picked one up for a gift for somebody, but I'm not going to say a word because I don't know when this video is going to go up, before Christmas, after, so mum's it, sister. What I love about these is that even though I think the Pinnacle collection, I think it was this one, like these three that are over here, like the shape of these, I think this is like the Pinnacle collection, but it's the shape that really like drew me. But Anissa's been around like in the 90s. I think these came out in 2019, but the designer and the owner, she's been around since the 90s. So girl, she's got experience. She knows what she's doing. Of course, these are all like custom designed. Look how great. like everything. The brushes, the ferrules, the handle, everything is custom made. They are 100% synthetic and they're so beautiful. The design is beautiful. The brushes are beautiful. The bristles are so good. Anyway, so this has been one of my recent purchases and I am loving them. Loving them, loving them, loving them. And then finally, my most recent purchase is I picked up the Rosen Ben brushes. I grabbed these 3 and I did a video and I can't remember what I titled it, but I will leave it linked below, is that I thought maybe like new products, I don't remember, but I grabbed the E28 and I thought I lost it. I'm like, daggone it. So I did go back and pick it up again, and I also picked up the 29, and then she also uses Sheila. It's like her towel that she rubs off. I have it over there, but anyway, what really intrigued me is this foundation brush. This is the C42. I love how angled it is. I see like everybody's got their own like version of the angled brush, but what I like about this one is that when she picked up her product, like there was nothing like on the tip of the bristles, like where you pat in and maybe you put too much on. When she uses this and she pats on her foundation, all the product seeps into the bristles, so it gives you like more of an even placement. And she does a lot of patting, like she doesn't swirl. Even with her eyeshadow brushes, she pats, which is a little bit getting used to. So it's like these brushes are like a trial and error, if you will. But her makeup looks so damn good. So love this. And let me tell you, she was right. I did do a demonstration using them. Like I said, I'll link it below. It was beautiful. My foundation looks so freaking good. And this brush over here is like a little bit flatter over here, if you could see that. So for me, this was more like a placement, if you will. So these brushes are a little bit tricky. Not tricky, especially this one. This one is her E27, and she named them after her mom and dad's. I guess they race cars, so the 27 is her dad's, the 28's her mom's. This one's a little bit interesting where she used it like to carve out, and I'm not a carver outer girl. I just don't. I mean, her makeup is outstanding. But what I love about that is that you could carve out. You could use it as like make your wingity wing wing. You could use it like underneath your eyes. You could use it like inner corner. So nice. I want to open up the E29 with you because I haven't seen it, because I did go back and forth between the 28 and the 29, the 28 and the 29. But listen, I thought I lost it, and you know what? Now I grabbed the 29. So let me just pull it out for you, and let me just show you. Yeah, this is more like of a blending brush. Let me just show it to you. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that so gorge? So pretty. So let me just show you the two together. You could totally see the difference. You see that? Like this one over here is more like flat. Let me see if I could turn it. There you go. Is more flat, or it's more for placement, and then the fluffy brush is more for like a blending brush. Ooh, they're so nice. So this has been my most recent purchase. But anyway, so that is it. Like I said, I have a bajillion. You know what? Let me just show you real quick of my extra stash. Well, no, I'm gonna lie. I have an extra stash, and then I have an extra stash, and then I have an extra stash elsewhere. But let me just show you my extra stash. Hold on. Okay, so here they are, because I don't want and this is nothing. I still have 2 more of these, because I don't want people to think, oh damn girl, she got all these expensive brushes and blah blah blah. No such luck. Oh, I have another one of my BK Beauty. Look at this beauty. But what I wanted to show you, I have so many, like these Real Techniques. Love them. These are so great. I also have my little Real Technique. Where is it? That I don't know where I put it, but the Real Technique that I use all the time. This one. This is an extra that I use for my highlighter. Look how great that little fan brush is. I got this one from BH Cosmetics. I have this one from Smashbox. I have a few of these that I got at Target. This is the Sonia. Of course, if you hear that beeping, that you have to come like right now to beep. That's my garbage. The Sonia Kashik that I get from Target. I have those. Here's another one. This one is from Sigma, the F80. Love my Real Techniques brushes. This one is a Morphe brush. I have a ColourPop one. Let's see. What is this one? A No Name one. I have an e.l.f. brush. I have, what is this? A Sigma brush. I mean, so many. So you don't have to buy like high-end brushes. I'm just showing you and sharing with you the brushes that I always grab because they're always on hand. But girl, you could use any brush. But anyway, so that is it. This is my video of can we talk brushes, girl? Let's talk about brushes. So that's it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.